Also, I would be sorry to some of the teachers whom I had troubled. But apart from that, thanks to all the UT teachers.
The slogan of Universal Tutorial, guided efforts lead to a brighter future. I truly lived it. They taught me each and everything before it was taught in school. I would like to say that to get your success, you should first visualize it and try to live it as if you're really within it. So this will help to get the best possible result for you. The staff in UT was excellent, especially RSM sir and Biju sir. They were the best I've ever met. And Anubhav Sinhal sir were very nice. He used to teach us in very poetic story way.
My daughter has secured 96% and she has a break record of my whole family. Nobody has secured 96% in the 10th. So I congratulate to UT for this success, and I suggest the other students also to take admissions in the UT classes. Reminds my Sadguru Vaman Rao Pai. He has said that if you will get a right classes, good teachers and a good atmosphere, the student will cross the records.
I will give thanks to Anubhav, because whenever there is doubt, he personally take interest in that and he try to solve it. I give one incident. In one of test series, there was a doubt of answers, objective answers. Anubhav sir have given me call at 9:30 p.m. and he has cleared that doubt. He personally had attended, instead of attending this by faculties or any staff, he has personally attended this.
UT was the best decision I've ever taken in my life. They completed the syllabus before time, which helped me a lot in revising each chapter again and again. And I was confident that I knew each and every chapter by heart when I was ready for giving the board examinations. Lobo ma'am, I would really like to take her name because she inspired me a lot. She taught us English, but with English, she gave us a lot of general knowledge, how to handle life and everything.
I personally hated the idea of waking up at 7:30 and going all the way to Vashi and writing an exam. Even though I did not like it, writing tests every Sunday helped me a lot in these two subjects. By the end of the year, I was a very good student, and I scored extremely well in maths as well as science. In 10th standard, I got enrolled with UT for all subjects, and believe me, it has helped me a lot.
Best part of UT is they are selecting the questions from all over the India, question papers, and I am surprised to see questions from Punjab appearing in the UT test series, and that once you have a go on those questions, then you need not to refer to any other book. But only problem with UT for us, people like us, commuting from Anushakti Nagar to this place every Sunday. So, and I know it's very difficult, but I suggest one way, if you can devise some mechanism on which we can write live exam, online exam.
Each child dreams to get a score of 10 CGPA. Well, I also had a dream of scoring, and UT really helped me to achieve my dream. I always hated going for a coaching classes, getting up soon and coming to UT just to study, that took 3 continuous hours. Then I used to feel so bored about it, but at the end I got to know that it was not all waste, it was useful. I wrote my board exams really nicely, and now I am standing here with a 10 CGPA, and I would really thank UT.
She was a exam fearing girl. So in every class, that is from LKG, when our final exam used to come, she used to fear and get fever. UT has created often they used to conduct tests. That test, there is frequency of a test made her to write final exam also as one more test.
I was a part of the UT test series program, but I regret if I had joined the UT classroom program, I would have got better percentage. I would like to say that Universal Tutorials as a whole makes and guides the student to become winners. Thank you. Approximately a year ago, I came across a beautiful book, that is The Secret of Rhonda Byrne. As I unraveled the pages full of optimism, I found out that I could be, have, or do anything that I want to. The book quotes that what goes around comes around. So that is that if you emit positive thoughts, you'll attract positive outcomes. I wanted to score a perfect 10 CGPA in my 10th board examinations, and so I put all my faith in the thought that I would score a perfect 10. Naturally, I came across UT. Its test series program and volumes were a dynamic package for my board exams preparation. Many people think that board exams are a tough hurdle to pass through, but actually it is only the exam of the known and not the unknown, as Anubhav sir quoted on the last day in UT.